Oh, hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. Hello, my positive peeps. It's Lori here, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I will be doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course. If you are a fan of the Law of Attraction, give me a thumbs up. Show the universe a little bit of love and a little bit of support. Every single day in August, I will be posting a video to be part of this 30-day Law of Attraction course. Each video will flow nicely into the next video, just like a class or a course. Today is day 8. Click here to start on day 1 to start at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes long, just to be mindful of your time. Now let me just mention quickly the course workbook. It's free and there's a link below so that you can download it and follow along for the rest of the 30 days. See the link in the description to find this awesome workbook. Okay, so quick recap. So far I tell you what the Law of Attraction is and how we are all made up of energy. I explain the laws that govern this energy, the thought loop, why you need to feel good, raising your vibration, and why you need to live in a loving way. That was a mouthful. Now, have you ever heard of the 3 steps? Ask, believe, receive. Well, these are the 3 steps that Rhonda Byrnes outlines as the 3 steps to manifestation. This was in the film The Secret. I hope you watched the film as it was part of your homework a couple of days ago. If not, it's okay. It's highly recommended as a really good introduction to the entire Law of Attraction vibe. Okay, ask, believe, receive are essentially the steps I will teach you. I prefer to use different names for these. As in Rhonda's subsequent book, The Power, she redefines the steps as imagine, feel, receive. I will relate the 3 steps back to the thought loop. This will make it easier for you to refer back anytime that you are manifesting. So the ask or imagine part of the process falls under the thought section. The believe or feel falls under the feelings part, obviously. But the receive part is a little more tricky. This one falls under action and habits. The results at the end will be the manifestation of your desire. Okay, so what we're going to do is day 9 to 11 will cover the step ask. Day 12 to 14 will be the feel step. Day 15 to 22 will be the all-important magical step of action with lots of methods to try. And day 23 to 26 is about habits. Day 27 on is about receiving and also some bonus stuff. The first step ask we will be diving into tomorrow. Today, I want you to start by creating a very positive mindset about the Law of Attraction and your ability to manifest in general. Today, you will manifest something small. Whoa! Start by simply choosing something that you will receive or find or attract. Make it simple and small. Perhaps a good parking spot, a free coffee, a dime, a smile, that one's easy. A compliment, I want you to choose it. Say this out loud. I am happy and grateful to receive, and then say what it is that you're manifesting. Put it in the positive and present tense. That is how we speak to attract. Trust me, it works way faster when you're in the present tense and positive. After you say that, you will likely picture it in your head automatically, smile, and surround the idea with love. Then go about your day. But the most important part is to have fun. Okay guys, thank you so much. I am so happy that you're here. There's so much more to go, so please go about your day having the most blessed, beautiful, lovely day, and be positive. I love you. Start by simply choosing... Wowee. A little bit of cat bloopers.